I haven't been checking the calendar.
There you go.
What day trip?
2009.
Yeah, 2009.
You'll see her today. Go down to the left.
What day? What day?
Go down.
2009?
Right in the middle, kid.
What is today? The 8th?
7. 7, yeah.
August 7th.
August 7. There you go. Yeah. Here we go again.
God, man. It's all like yesterday when there's such a shot. This week flew by. Oh, man. Always flew by. Great way to finish my vacation.
It's only relative.
Mountains to the ocean.
Hey, Bob, you're going to be able to see it on YouTube.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
One of them, but not all of it. But
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, guys, we're not fishing here, Allie. This direction here going
if everybody's hooked up, that's the time to get.
yeah.
Bring it in the mirror.
It is.
Well, who's gonna catch your fish?
Came it up already?
Yeah, I got lots of stuff to prepare.
Hey.
Yeah,
Hey?
Yeah, you can still.
And you always bring extra, right?
¿El barco ese? No, quiero agarrar el barco de allá.
Yeah, ready to go fishing again. Oh, yeah. Or get drunk. Oh, yeah. Either way, you can't lose.
Yeah.
Hey, Leo, you go to a yard sale, buddy?
How much is that?
I'll give you 10.
Well, 50.
All right, guys, we need an
I'll give you a better one. I'll give you a 15. That's it.
You guys need each of your glasses?
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Great idea, Larry.
Now I need my glasses.
Thank you, sir.
¿Y esto por qué?
Por los lentes.
¿Cuál es el?
Just trying to buy a screw from us, man. I can't sell them.
Pues a ver, ya lo grabé.
Así. No olvides que poner.
¿Ya está?
Ya conectamos mañana ya.
Ya que llega 3 minutes. Que llegue 3 minutes.
¿Ah?
Que lleguen 3 minutes.
Ok, para que dure un ratito en el video. Diet Coke, I want Diet Coke.
Vice President Body Strand. May 30th.
¿Y el Steve? ¿Dónde está Steve? Para que salga. ¿Dónde está? Steve. Hey, wanna say something to your
May
son?
30th was my last day.
Is he floating right now?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kind of
Okay, hi Mom,
I'm a handyman.
Dad, San Diego, going out there fishing in the ocean. I'll get back to you pretty soon. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah. All right then.